Hello, this is Greg Berzinsky for Beardbrand, and I'm here today to open the new Grooming Kit by Beardbrand. You ask, what is a Grooming Kit? Stay tuned. It's always exciting to come home and to find that familiar Circle Beard logo on a package, knowing I got a special delivery from Beardbrand. And today's was extra special, not just my normal styling balm or my sea salt spray, but I have in my hands Beardbrand's new Grooming Kit. Just pretty new on the site, and we want to check it out by opening this up and showing you what you will find in the Grooming Kit itself. As you know, with Beardbrand products, quality is from delivery of the package to delivery of the product. Everything is excellent, and so it's always exciting to see these familiar white boxes with their graphics and to know that there's something extra special inside. And what we have inside this package is this beautiful black walnut case with the familiar Beardbrand logo on it. It's a really nice box with tongue and groove corners. Actually, is that mortise? No, it's not mortise intended. Mortise intended? No, dovetail. I should know this. It's a dovetail corner. It's great. Anyhow, fine craftsmanship just on the box itself. Opening up the box itself, we see the familiar Beardbrand logo inside also. So this is a grooming kit. So what you're going to get with a grooming kit are not the, I'm going to call them the wet products, not this the styling balm, the utility balm, the waxes, or the sea salt spray, anything like that. These are actually the hard items that you can purchase from Beardbrand. And they've assembled them all in this beautiful case, as I said. And what you're going to find in here is everything you need to brush, comb, and trim your hair. So in this case itself are all those grooming implements. And it's great that you can get them all in one spot and in this case. So inside here, we have a large comb and we have a small comb. Let me just take those out for you. If you're familiar with the combs, we know that you know that these are actually limited edition. They made a limited batch of these acetate combs. These great marble patterns on them. I really like the large comb. I actually tend to use the large comb a lot. I like the size of the teeth, the small. I actually use the small to comb my eyebrows and to fix my mustache. And use the bigger side actually for my hair and for my beard at times. Great size that you'll find with the large comb. Now the small comb itself is also in the package, and actually I'm surprised. It's a new pattern. Before this was white marble. Now we have it in, I think it's appearing to be black marble. Anyhow, the small size is great for travel. This is great to put in your shirt pocket, in your back pocket, in your coat pocket, and this is great for traveling. So if you want to be out and about and need to do a touch-up on your mustache or on your hair or on your beard, carrying this comb around is the perfect thing for that. So you're going to get that in the package also. Along with, in the case also, you're going to find 3 brushes. These are the 3 brushes that Beardbrand offers. We have the large brush, which you're familiar with. These are all boar's hair bristle, super high quality. Nice thing about getting a wood handle brush and a boar's hair brush, brushes will last a long, long time. You'll find that you can have a brush for years with proper maintenance, and you have to clean your brushes also. A brush will last forever. This is great for your beard, to be able to comb through your beard. It's specifically for the beard itself, so it's a great brush itself. And then 2 new brushes actually have just hit the site pretty recently, and this is actually a favorite also. This is actually a travel size brush. So if you think about the difference between the 2 brushes, you see the difference here, it's considerable. So you're not going to want to carry this around with you. But if you favor a brush over a comb for those touch-ups during the day, say you're at the office or you're at your job and you're going to go out directly after work, and you want to carry a brush as opposed to the comb, this you can easily keep in your coat pocket. So it's a nice size and it's perfect for traveling. You can put this in your dop kit, take it on the airplane. This is a great size brush, and it's pretty perfect. Love it. Nice size. And then pretty recent also to the Beardbrand line is their new round brush. Now, this round brush is great. You actually might have seen me use this recently on my hair. You'll see it coming up on a video where I style my beard after a trim. And yes, I'm going to trim my beard back a little bit. The round brush, great if you want to add a little roll to the bottom of your beard and actually just use this brush while you're using a hairdryer in your beard. My longer hair also, this is perfect in order to coax some of the waves in an alternate direction. So perfect. So you're going to get all three brushes in the grooming kit. You're going to get the full-size beard brush and the travel-size beard brush, and then the new round brush, all with the wood handles as well as the boar's hair bristles. Great brushes. And the last thing in the case is the trimming scissors. I've talked about these before. I can't tell you how great they are. I actually have 3 pair of these scissors myself, and I keep them in different locations. Keep one in my desk drawer at the office, and I actually keep one in my sink drawer, and we actually keep one in the kitchen. We use these specifically for cutting hair, so just love the handle, love the feel of this, the little tine on the end here, I think that's what it's called. Is great, beautiful touch there with the gold and silver mixed together. So great pair of trimming scissors. I really, really highly recommend these. These are great if you actually want to touch up your hair, cut around your ears while you're in between barbers. If you trim your own beard, this is great for your mustache, cutting your beard, trimming your hair, anything, any body grooming that you want to do. These are the thing that you need to get. Love them. Have the circle logo on them also, so you know the quality. They came from Beardbrand. So those are the items that you're going to get in this beautiful walnut case. Bang! So you can keep these things in the case themselves. The case is big enough once you take the paper out. If you want to keep some of your wet products in there, styling balm also. You can keep all your Beardbrand products together. Hopefully you outgrow this case. But it's really a sharp case itself. So that's it. Tell us what you think of grouped items like this. I think it's great because you end up buying, a comb. You end up buying the scissors. And so now you can get the bundled package all together and then get that nice case that goes with it. So I think it's a great gift, especially with Father's Day coming up in America toward the end of June. And it's a perfect gift for that bearded dad in your life or that bearded guy that you want to honor with a special gift. So check it out, and we hope that you find this as exciting as I do. I always like unboxing, and as I said before, I love seeing Beardbrand on my doorstep, and I hope that you do too. Until we meet again, beard on.
Stop. Before you watch the next video, let me tell you, you are worth it. And what do I mean by that? I mean that you deserve to invest in yourself. You deserve to pamper yourself. You deserve to take care of your skin, your hair, your beard, and Beardbrand has your back with products, not just for your hair, your beard, and your skin, but also for your mind.